Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to create products. Let's get started. So, starting on the dashboard CMS, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select the store icon. Once here, we'll click Create. Now, when creating a product, you'll need a few things. The first thing is naming your product, putting the product description, what category it would be in, whether it has variants, make sure it's enabled, whether it's featured or not, and shown in the results. The second part is pricing. You can choose on whether it has an image or not. The inventory, the shipping and tax, some custom fields that you'd like to add, some additional fields, and search engine data. Click Save, and just like that, you learn how to create a product. Thanks everyone.